Objectives. At the end of the lecture, you will be able to explain the concepts of future value, explain the difference between uneven cash flows and annuities, determine the types of future value analysis, apply the time value of money techniques on financial transactions. Lecture outline. First, we'll touch on introduction, followed by future value analysis, single cash flow, multiple cash flow, uneven cash flow, ordinary annuity, annuity due, and the last portion will be applications. Financial and investment decisions should be based on time-adjusted cash flows. The two key concepts relating to time value of money are future value and present value. Future value analysis. The process of determining future value of an investment made today. The current investment can be a single sum or a series of installments. This process involves the concept of compounding interest. Present value. So $1 invested now will become future value of more than $1 in the future. The formulas for future value analysis: single cash flow. This is the formula: FV equals to PV times bracket 1 plus K bracket 2 power n. Or you can use table for using this formula. We know that n equals to number of periods and K is the interest rate. Types of compound interest. The calculation of future value uses the concept of compound interest. Compound interest. Interest earned on the deposit. Basically, it's principal plus interest. Interest has become part of the principal sum. For simple interest, the interest paid on the original principal only. Interest does not become part of the principal sum. Look at the left-hand side. The interest is compounded once a year. The K and the N is straightforward. If the interest is compounded for more than once a year, so M equals the number of times per year. So formula we rewrite in this manner. Okay, take note of the K divided by M and N times M. Okay, for the table method will be the same. The K divided by M and N times M. Let's compare the answer in illustration 2 and 3. We know that illustration 3 has a higher figure than illustration 2. Why is this so? This is because interest earned, which is compounded, will earn interest in the next period. In short, the more times interest is compounded, the higher the future value. Types of future value analysis. Single sum analysis, multi year cash flow. Under multi-cash year cash flow, you have uneven cash flow and annuities. Under annuities, we have ordinary annuities and annuity due. Note, compounding applies to both single and multiple cash flows. Uneven cash flows. Future value of an uneven stream of cash could be obtained by determining the future value of each individual cash flow. So basically, you determine each one of them. For example, CF1, you find out the future value for CF1. Then you find out the future value for CF2 and find out the future value for CF3. Each individual cash flow is determined separately. Then we'll add the individual cash future values together, and we'll find the grand total future value. That's a quick recap for illustration 4. This is today. This is the cash flow given to us. This is the end of the first period, period 1. There's 2 compound period. This is end of period 2. Yes, 1 compounding period. And this end of period 3 and 0 compounding period. So you know that if 0 compounding period, the FVIF answer will be equals to 1. Then at the end of the year, we add up all the FV to find the total FV.